Good morning, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to guide you through this morning moving meditation. So this is an excellent choice for you to start your day on the right foot. So go ahead and like this video, add it to your list of favorites so we can start our day together every day. Don't forget to leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Once you're ready, we will begin just sitting comfortably in your bed. You can close your eyes and just feel the wonderful residual feeling of your restful night's sleep. And feel into your body, just taking a gentle check-in this morning. Notice how you feel. As you breathe into your body, you can just slowly roll your head around. Feeling movement in your neck and head, and the tops of your shoulders. Slowly awakening, slowly moving in your body. Reverse the direction of your circle, feeling your breath deepen. With each breath, you're calling in more energy, more prana, more creativity, more motivation. One breath at a time. Let your head gently return to center. Feeling that movement, that residual tingling. And let's just take a nice easy twist to the right. Twisting in your spine. As you twist, visualize yourself letting go, releasing any stress or tension that came with you into the morning. Let it go. And come back through center and twist to the other side. And let yourself embrace the things that you're excited for today. What are you looking forward to? Feeling a subtle smile come across your face as you look forward to this awesome day. And make yourself back to center. We're just going to make a gentle spinal wave. So as you inhale, lift up through your heart. And as you exhale, gently fold forward and round your spine. And inhale and roll your heart up. And exhale to roll your heart forward and down. So we're going to just flow with the rhythm of your own breath. Let this movement be easy and gentle so it feels really good in your body. And set your intention today that you're going to feel good in your body. You're going to take care of yourself today. Whether that means drinking more water, or taking more breaks throughout the day, or eating more nutritious meals. Let today be the day that you commit to taking care of your body, feeling good in your body today. And slowly unroll your spine all the way back up to center. Smile your beautiful smile. Then peel back the covers and we're going to jump up out of bed. It's time to get up. So go ahead and come onto your feet. And as you do, Spread your feet wide apart, and you can turn your toes about 45 degrees open to the sides. Then we're going to inhale and bend your knees, circling your arms all the way up. As you exhale, circle the arms down, lifting through your legs, ground your energy. Again, inhale, circling it up, feeling powerful, gathering all the energy you need. Then exhale and ground it into the earth, manifesting it into your day, grounding it into your reality. Let's go again. Inhale, reaching up as you sink into your hips, reach high. And exhale and circle your arms around, grounding your intention down into the earth. Then gather up the energy around you like a big energy ball. It's like a big beach ball in front of you. You can feel your arms around it. Spread your fingertips apart so it's not a closed hand, but the hand is open. Bend slightly into your knees and just feel your pelvis anchoring down towards the earth. Then gently begin to pulse the energy ball. Just gently pulsing it in and out like you were gently squishing a bubble or a little ball. So this is your chi, this is your energy field. So breathe into it as you gently pulse your energy in and out. And each time you pulse that energy inwards towards your body, feel your body waking up, calling that energy in through your center, into your solar plexus, the center of your willpower, your power of manifestation and motivation. So we're pulsing your energy into that motivation center. Yes. Now, let's circle that ball of energy up above your third eye. So it's not quite at the top of your head, but just a few degrees out in front of you. Again, bend slightly into the knees. With fingers wide, begin to gently pulse that energy ball into your third eye. So coming in through the third eye, so pulsing that energy in towards your forehead. And your arms may be getting tired, but that's okay. We won't be here for too much longer. And this is your chance to really call in the support that you need today. Call in all the helpers, all the right connections, all of the right synchronicities coming into you now. All the resources that you need. Everything is coming in as you pulse this energy in towards yourself. Feeling it surrounding you and expanding as you pulse more and more energy into your field. And inhale and circle your arms all the way up, reaching to the very top of your energy field. And as you exhale, circle your arms down and around, tracing the edges of your energy bubble. Circling the hands all the way down. Place your palms, one on top of the other, right below your belly button. This is one of the primary energy centers, one of the primary reservoirs of unlimited energy potential in your body. So you can still have your knees slightly bent as you feel the palms, the heat from your hands permeating into that energy center, the Dantian, one of our sacred reservoirs of energy. So feel that energy building in that space just below the navel. You could even make little circles with the hands here to just build that energy, build that chi, building that heat in your body, ready to have an amazing day. So build that energy, build it in your belly, Okay, then we're going to step your feet together. Gently step your feet together side by side. And bring your palms to touch at your heart, and you can just bow your head, close your eyes, and turn your intention into your heart. Thank yourself for taking time for a simple morning ritual like this. Thank yourself for nourishing your energy field and your body and your mind with these simple exercises. And set your intention to have a beautiful day. Envision yourself overcoming obstacles easily, coming up with creative and perfect solutions to problems. Envision yourself delegating and leading with ease, just having the best day possible. See it, feel it, be it. Thanks so much for joining me this morning. I hope you have an awesome day ahead. And if you loved this video, share it with others. Let's spread the love wide so we can all wake up and have an awesome day together. I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.